Hello student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we have to learn about the active and passive voice study. We already know about the active and passive voice and their form. Okay, what is the means of active voice and passive voice, and how can we change the structure of the active voice sentence to the passive voice sentence, and we had also learned to change present tense of the active voice to passive voice. Okay, study when we learn about the active and passive voice, there is this sentence of the present tense. Okay, in a present tense there are four subparts. Okay, four subparts: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, first three sub tense of the present tense, like a simple present, present continuous and present perfect tense, we can change it into the passive voice. Okay, but last one, that is the present perfect continuous tense, we cannot transform or convert into the passive voice. Okay, so now it means only three sub tense of the present tense we can change into the passive voice. So today we learn about the simple past tense. Okay, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and last one, past perfect continuous tense. Okay, first is simple past tense. Study, you already know about that, how can we change the structure of the active voice to the passive voice. Okay, if the simple form of the sentence is subject plus verb plus object. Okay, it is the simple form of sentence, and these sentence known as a active voice. When we convert it into the passive voice, it will be object plus verb, third form plus subject. Okay, it is the simple rule to change in active voice to passive voice, and we add some of the helping verb and by agent, and it will add into the passive voice. Okay, it is a revision. Now now we talking about the how can we change the simple past tense into the passive voice, and past continuous tense active voice change into the passive voice, and same as past perfect tense. Clear? First is simple past tense. I take a single example of the simple past tense. Like C writes simple past tense. She wrote a novel. She wrote a novel. This is the sentence of active voice. Okay, she wrote a novel. It is the active voice sentence of simple past tense. You can see here subject, verb and object. Subject is the pronoun, object is a verb second form, and here the object. The verb is a second form. Now we can change it into the passive voice. The process of the passive voice is same as that we learn study. Okay. First we pick up the object. Object is a novel. A novel replace of the subject. Okay, a novel is a singular number subject, a novel. Now we can see this is the verb and it is formed in a second. It is a second form of verb. So when we change the simple past tense into the passive voice, then we have to use was and verb. Was and verb plus verb third form and use by agent. Okay, simply we can say that here the subject is a noun. With a noun we use was or verb. So subject is a singular number, then we use singular number helping verb. With a noun we add was. Okay, a noun was. Here the verb second form. So change this second form into the third form. So first form of the wrote is a write. Write is the first form of verb. Write, wrote, written. Written is the third form of verb. So here we can write here written. Written. And then use by agent. You can write here by. Okay. Subject is C. Here is the subject C. C is the subjective noun. And when it transforms into the object, then it will be her. Okay. So after the by agent, you can add her. So this is the simple process to change the active voice into the passive voice of the simple past tense. In active voice, we can see that here the verb second form. And rest of the word like a subject and object. Okay, and when we convert it into the passive voice, then object will be the subject, and according to the subject we can add helping verb, and same as the verb will be the third form. Okay, verb will be the third form. So we can convert the verb into the third form, and then write the subject as a object by using the by agent. It's clear? Simpler process of the passive voice. It's clear? Now next tense is past continuous tense. I think you all know well about the past continuous tense. In the past continuous tense, helping subject plus helping verb as in was and verb plus verb first form with ing, and then other word are complement. It is the sentence structure of past continuous tense. Okay, I write a single example like my brother. Okay, my brother was learning a lesson. My brother was learning a lesson. In this sentence, you can see here, my brother is a subject, was is a helping verb, and learning is a main verb with the ing form. And here the object a lesson. It's clear? Now we have to transform this active voice into the passive voice. First we pick up the object of the sentence. So here object is a lesson. A lesson is a object. We place it in the place of subject. So it will be a lesson. Okay? A lesson. And after that use helping verb according to the subject. Here the subject in a lesson, and it is a singular form, so we can use here was. And after that, after write the was, our verb is here learning, and it will be converted into the third form. Okay, so the third form of the verb learn. Okay, third form of the verb learn. And after that, one thing more. It is the past continuous tense. Before the verb third form, we add one thing. After the was and verb, we add being. Okay, and then learn. And after that, we use by agent, and here is the my brother. My brother will be my brother. Okay, like a space, so you can see here. It's clear? It is the simple process of active voice, change the active voice into the passive voice. Okay, so we can see here the was and ing form. First we can add was or were according to the subject, and after that add being, and then verb third form, and then in the last we can add by agent. Okay, it is the simple process of change it into the active voice to passive voice. It's clear? Now next is past perfect tense. Past perfect tense. First you have to learn it in your physical class. The past perfect tense, first you remind in your mind that helping verb of past perfect tense. What is helping verb of past tense? I think you know very well. It is the had. And form of verb. What is the form of verb? The form of verb is as a third form. Okay, it is the simple structure of the past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus verb third form plus other word or complement. Okay, structure of past perfect tense. So we take example of past perfect tense. Okay, so Riya had, okay, Riya had written a book. Riya had written a book. It is the sentence structure of past perfect tense. Sentence of past perfect tense. You can see here subject is Riya, had is a helping verb of perfect tense, and written is the third form of the verb, and here the object or complement. Okay, here the object. A book is a object. Okay, first we pick up the object. Object is a book. It will replace of the subject, a book. It is the singular number, so don't worry. You can add had. After had, you can write down been. A book had been. Verb third form. It is already third form, so no need of the change it third form. So had been written by, and your subject is Riya, and it will convert into the passive voice. So Riya will be Riya. Riya is not transformed. Why? Because it is the nominative subject. Okay. So now next is past perfect continuous tense. As you know that we can transform or change the active voice into the passive voice only the 8 sentence of active voice. Okay, so one of them, that is the present perfect continuous tense, that we cannot change into the passive voice. Second one is past perfect continuous tense, that we cannot change into the passive voice. It's clear? So I hope you all learn how to change active voice into the passive voice of present tense and the past tense. Okay, I explained all the scenario of structure of active voice and the passive voice. Okay, if you well known about the tense, Okay, tense of active voice, tense of present, past and future, then you have easily learned to the passive voice of the sentence. I hope you all learn it. Okay, next, in the next video we have to learn about the future tense. Okay, how we can change the future tense into the passive voice. Okay, so that's it, we meet in the next class.